got the spicy beef patty from M&D West Indian Cuisine at Dr. Flea's flea market. I went with my my father-in-law to get some other stuff, but oh, and I got this sick ass bootleg fucking off-white, yes, sparkly iPods. No, not iPods, AirPods case. Anyways, let's check this out. Spicy beef patty. It was about, there was a lady in there that had Jamaican patties from Tennille's for $2.50. These guys, I don't know where they got it from. I forgot to ask if they made them. I don't think so, but they were $2. And it's been in my pocket for like 20 minutes and it's still pretty warm, so it's pretty good. I don't know if I've ever seen anything like this. It's really like smooth, kind of flaky. Yeah, pretty flaky. It's kind of dense, like what was that place? Charles? No, Tasties, I think. Yeah, that dense kind of dough. It actually might be from them. Fucking making a mess everywhere. Yeah, let's try this shit. Yeah, that's Tasties. Tasties is dog shit. Not dog shit, but what is Tasties? Not bad. Give me that cup. I don't know, what should I fucking give this? What'd I give those guys before? I'm gonna give it a, I don't really like Tasties because it's not very, it's pretty tasty, but texture wise and the feel is not that great. But it's not bad. We'll give them a 5.9. Actually, give them a 6.1. I'm in a good mood. I got some blue cotton candy. All right, see you guys in a bit.